Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to use our wedding budget planner step by step to track all your wedding expenses from vendor payments to bridal showers, groom showers, engagement celebrations and even your honeymoon, all in Google Sheets and Excel. This planner keeps your budget organized, helps you avoid overdue payments and makes wedding budget planning so much less stressful. If you don't have the template yet, it's available on my Etsy shop, link in the description. After purchase, you'll receive an email from Etsy with two files, a downloadable Excel file and a PDF. The PDF contains a Google Sheets link. When you click it, you'll be asked if you'd like to make a copy. Just click and your planner will open in your account. This planner has 3 sheets. Wedding budget, which is a summary of all your wedding expenses. Single budget, which is your bridal and groom shower expenses. And couples budget, which is your engagement and honeymoon expenses. Your main wedding budget sheet has automatic charts and graphs to give you a clear visual overview. Almost everything is customizable. A few cells are locked and some would give you a warning when you try to edit them. Editable tables include your wedding budget, which is your wedding only budget. In this case, it's $50,000. Total budget, which is your overall budget, including your wedding and other events. In this case, it's $74,000. Pink and green tables show allocated amount, which are expenses already budgeted for, and the amount left to budget. This wedding budget categories table tracks all your main expense categories: engagement, bridal shower, groom shower, wedding, church, reception, after party, and your honeymoon. The set amount column is your planned spending. Enter the amount you plan to spend in this category. The allocated amount is the amount that is calculated once you get fixed prices on items in each category. This column has formulas to fetch data from other tables and sheets. If you choose to add any more rows to this table, you can edit the formulas accordingly. Your remaining to spend column is the difference between what is set and what is allocated. Formulas are editable, so you can add or tweak categories. Bottom yellow row shows totals. Your set amount over here is total to $61,000. Your allocated amount is total to $52,710, and what is remaining to spend is the difference between the two, which is $8,290. Top green and pink tables show remaining budget for total and wedding specific funds. The wedding vendor table tracks vendor specific categories. Add categories and assign vendors. In this case, I've added flowers, mass and feasts to church. You can see I've assigned category names that correspond to the categories in the wedding budget categories table. Enter budget amount, actual total cost, advance, and balance. Budget amount is the amount that you want to set for a specific vendor. Your actual cost is the amount that you have fixed with your vendors, and the balance is the amount left to pay after deducting your advance payment. Due by column is automated with conditional coloring. The colors correspond to this table on the right-hand corner. Paid is your first shade, your payment due soon is your second shade, and your overdue is your third shade. You can also mark expenses as paid with the checkbox in the first column. The pie charts and bar graph give you a quick visual representation of your budget. The vendor payment status shows paid, due, overdue amounts. This chart is dynamic and its corresponding table has locked formulas. Wedding contribution shows sources of your budget: savings, gifts, parents, grandparents. You can enter your data in the wedding contribution table. The bar graph shows you your set versus allocated amount based on your budget categories. Pie charts, which is your wedding budget and total budget, show what's allocated and what's left to spend. Wedding expenses chart shows what percentage is paid for and what is remaining. Vendor payment status chart auto updates on a daily basis. Under the singles budget sheet, you have your bridal shower chart and your groom shower chart. Enter the expense type, vendor, budget, actual cost, advance, balance, due date. Your checkbox marks as paid. Payment status colors update dynamically. Each table allows up to 50 entries. Your couple's budget sheet works the same way. It tracks engagement and honeymoon expenses. This table allows 50 entries each. Your main wedding vendor table allows 78 entries. All budgeting tables work in a similar manner. And that's it. The Wedding Budget Planner helps you set, track, and visualize all your wedding spending, from showers to engagement, wedding day, and honeymoon. Find this planner in my Etsy shop, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wedding planning and digital tools. Thanks for watching.